Hey, hello Leo sign. This is a Leo soulmate reading. So I'm sure that many Leos would want to know what is their soulmate up to when they are arriving in their life, because it's been always a challenging for Leos to find their love partner. All right. So I'm going to shuffle cards and spread over the table and see the message for your soulmate. Uh, this may not resonate with you. If it resonate, then very well. I mean, it's excellent. If not resonate, please do not push for yourself. Okay. So I'm going to start your reading. So I'm going to use three deck here. This two deck I'm using it for soulmate reading, and the one oracle I'm using it for advice message. So let's start, Leo. All right. So the first thing is I'm going to tap your energy into this card. Hey universe, spirit, all the high spirits, please provide guidance and message for Leo soulmate. Tapping Leo energy into this tarot card. So I'm going to shuffle a card now. Okay, so let me shuffle it properly. Alright, so let's start. So tell Leo about their soulmate. Hey universe, spirit, angels, tell Leo about their soulmate. So I'm going to spread three cards here and talk about that. So tell Leo about their soulmate. Tell Leo about their soulmate. Alright, so I'll shuffle it again. Tell Leo about their soulmate connection. Tell Leo about their soulmate connection. Tell Leo about their soulmate connection. 10 of Cups, 8 of Wands, Ace of Cups. So Leo, the question was tell Leo about their soulmate. So your soulmate is arriving very soon. The new offer is coming. Okay, the soulmate is coming your way with the emotions. So they are coming soon and offering a new love to you. All right. Also, they are coming from distance. Someone is traveling towards you from distance. Maybe your soulmate is living different city or different country, okay, or different religion. It can be anything, okay. So they are going to give emotions to you, and they are traveling from distance, or maybe you are traveling to see them, okay. So your soulmate is in distance somewhere, different city or different country, okay. So they are coming towards you and offering a new cup of love. Also, you see the third card is celebration card. So there is a celebration, marriage or engagement. So Leo, your soulmate, you're going to meet very soon. The all the three cards what I'm seeing here is all positive. All are saying that you're getting a new offer from the distance, and it's going to end up with marriage, okay. So that's a message. The next question is how Leo will meet their soulmate. How Leo will meet their soulmate. Hey universe, angel, spirit. How Leo will meet their soulmate. 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 The High Priestess, Three of Pentacles, and Three of Cups. So Leo, you are going to meet your soulmate in a party or somewhere when you're celebrating it. So you see these three people are celebrating with cups. So maybe you're going to attend a party or somewhere, function you're going to attend, or maybe you're attending a marriage function. That's where you find your soulmate, Okay, so make sure you don't miss the opportunity. If someone is calling you for marriage, or for attending a function, or any, it could be anything, to attend a party or something. So make sure you do not miss that, because that's where you find your soulmate. Okay. uh, Also, three of pentacles, this means that your soulmate could be a boss. Okay, your own boss, or maybe someone who you are taking advice. So Leo, see with whom you're taking advice. Maybe it's your good friend whom you're taking advice, because your soulmate is someone who give advice. Okay, who give advice and provide guidance. Okay, you may be asking them. Okay, or someone is maybe asking you. So make sure, if someone is taking advice from you, and or maybe you are taking advice from them. Okay, so that could be your soulmate. Okay, that's how you meet your soulmate. Maybe through friends you will meet your soulmate. All right. So next card is the High Priestess card. Okay, so you see here the High Priestess card is the moon confusion card basically. The black and white, it shows the confusion. So maybe initial time you meet, and there will be confusion, but it is your soulmate. Initially it will be a confusion whether to go ahead or not, or maybe you are in your head, should I go ahead or not, or maybe she will be in your head. Okay, so what also I am seeing, that uh, you could meet your soulmate when you are in your take you if decision, it based on the decision also. So when you're confused, you have to take a decision. So that's how when you are meeting your soulmate. All right. And the very important, you will meet your soulmate in some function, marriage party, or anything. Okay, so that's a answer. Moving to next question. What Leo need to do to meet their soulmate? What Leo need to work to meet their soulmate? What Leo need to do to meet their soulmate? What Leo need to do to meet their soulmate? What Leo need to do to meet their soulmate connection? So, Nine of Cups, Six of Swords, Eight of Cups. So Leo, you are in a hermit mode, like you are closed off emotion. So basically the spirit guidance is telling you, Leos, please open the heart. Okay, open the heart chakra and accept the love, whoever coming towards you. You may be not interested in love anymore, maybe because of past hurt. Okay, or maybe you're always getting hurt, and because of that you closed off your emotion. So maybe you're not interested anymore, but spirit is asking you to open the heart chakra, open the unconditional love, and accept the one who is coming towards you. All right. Also, I'm saying you need to travel. So again, there is a traveling card. So the question was, what Leo need to do meet their soulmate? So you need to travel, or maybe that soulmate needs to travel. So maybe traveling is there, someone coming from distance, as I said in the first question. So maybe you need to travel somewhere to meet your soulmate. You may be sad because you're traveling somewhere during this corona time. You may be thinking why I'm going there, but once you go there, and you realize that it happened for good, because you're meeting your soulmate there. Leos, congratulations. Here, Nine of Cups. So it's saying that you did not have to do anything. Okay, in terms of cups, emotions, you just sitting. Okay, the you know you just have to sit and open your heart chakra, love, and don't have to do anything, because all the work you have done already. Okay, so that's a message for you, Leo, for this question. Let's move to next question. What Leo soulmate is thinking about Leo sign? What Leo soulmate is thinking about Leo? What Leo, isn't it a tricky question? What Leo soulmate is thinking about Leo? What Leo soulmate is thinking about their soulmate? What Leo sign what Leo soulmate is thinking about their soulmate right now. Hey universe, please tell me what Leo soulmate is thinking about Leo presently. So they are thinking, oh my god, this is coming 3 times. I mean, when I shuffled, it fell down twice and this came again. So 4, 5 of wands, 5 of 6 of wands, 5 of wands, 7 of swords. So your soulmate is thinking about coming towards you. So maybe they are in a, they are, maybe their family is not, their parents are not ready, maybe in a different culture, different religion, but they are thinking to coming towards. So irrespective of hurdle, irrespective of any issues in their side, they still want to come towards you. That's what they are thinking about it. Also, I see here competition card. So whatever the competition is there, it's over and they are coming towards you out of all competition. They are thinking to come to you, Leo, very fast. Trust me. They're done with the competition. They are okay to adjust anything and they want to come now, and whatever struggle they need to go through, they will do and come back to you. Okay. Also, you see here, the Leo soulmate is coming. They are thinking of coming towards you, okay, winning your heart. But the horse you see here is sad. That's maybe a parents or someone, maybe they dealt with breakup or someone is not happy. They are going to offer, but they are not, but the parents are not happy, maybe family or someone is not happy, but they are coming towards you with the offer. Okay, so Leo, that's a good news. The Leo soulmate is coming very fast. All the questions was positive. Okay, so they were all the positive cards. Okay, so let me see the next question. So next question is, when they will arrive, when Leo soulmate will arrive. Let me tap your energy. Hey universe, Archangel Michael, Spirit, tapping Leo sign energy into this tarot card. Let me shuffle. Okay. When you will meet your soulmate, when you will meet your soulmate, when you're going to meet your soulmate. Hey universe, Archangel Michael, Spirit, all the higher spirit, please tell Leos when they are going to meet their soulmate. When Leo is going to meet their soulmate. When Leos are going to meet their soulmate. So I'm going to spread only one card to see when you're going to meet your soulmate. So it's 7 of Swords. So basically 7 of Swords, it is like one sword equal to 1 day. So 7 of Swords basically maybe a 7 days, which actually a week time. So someone is coming towards you with the offer, your soulmate, in 1 week. Okay, so please guys, do comment me if you're getting your soulmate. I mean, if you're meeting your soulmate in 1 week, please do comment me in inbox so that I will see whether my reading is resonate with you all. Alright, so your soulmate is coming in 1 week, Leo. Congratulations. Let me pull advice card. Tapping Leo energy into this tarot card. Let me shuffle. Hey universe, Archangel Michael, higher spirit, please provide a guidance message for Leo sign. Please provide a guidance message for Leo sign. Please guide Leo about their soulmate. Please guide Leo about their soulmate. All right. So I'm going to pick one card here. So please, universe, Archangel Michael, all the high spirit, please help Leo to know their message in terms of soulmate. Please give one message or guidance to soulmate. The guidance message is first chakra, Archangel Michael. Can you see that? First chakra, Archangel Michael. So I'll tell you guys what this advice message for you basically in your soulmate reading. Michael holds a beautiful globe, you can see here. So this is the Archangel Michael. So Michael holding a beautiful globe of red energy at the first chakra, which is located at the base of spine. Can you see that below? That is the spine chakra, basically root chakra. So this is the place where let me elaborate a little more, where your sense of stability and security is stored. When this card is coming in your reading, it reveals that your energy is flowing freely regarding these issues. Even if you have had problems with feeling secure in the past, these challenges are beginning to be resolved at this time. Archangel Michael is with you, bringing you strength and personal stability. You are capable of taking action and moving forward on your path. So allow yourself to feel increasing faith in your own power and security now and always. Very good, Leos. So even the Archangel Michael is supporting you to give you a stable energy and stable life. Okay. So congratulations, Leo. Your soulmate is coming towards you in 1 week. Please do comment me. Also, if you like my reading and if it's resonate, please like and subscribe. Okay. Support my channel. Thank you so much.